Do you want to generate a logo like this, 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 or this for your business or brand? Okay, follow me as I show you in 2 simple steps how I use AI to generate these logos without a graphic artist, without wasting so much hours on creative ideas and font alignment or whatever, or icon alignment. Less than 2 minutes, I have this logo done. So let me show you how I got this done. So the first step will be to visit chatgpt.com, and when I visit chatgpt.com, I give it this prompt. So the prompt is, I want you to help me generate 5 prompt templates that can help me generate a professional modern logo for a male clothing brand. The name of the business is Dozy Wears. We deal on African natives and suits for men in Nigeria. Our brand color are white and black. The logo should be a combination of textural and iconic logo. So a combination of text and icon. That is what I mean in this last sentence. Okay, so it could be an icon. You could tell it, make it iconic. Tell it it should be 1 letter with an icon, or it should be 2 letters infused into an icon, depending on the kind of design you want, because we know that logo can be textural, can be combination of text and icons, can be icons. So it can be just a word that is shaped into an icon. So it depends on what you want. So once I prompt ChatGPT, it's going to give me this result. As you can see, ChatGPT has come up with 5 prompt templates, but for the purpose of this particular video, I am going to copy from 2. And from prompt 2, it takes me to the second step in this video. So I will visit ideogram.ai, and when I am on ideogram.ai, I'll paste my prompt on the prompt bar. Once I've pasted my prompt on the prompt bar, I'm going to select 1:1 dimension. 1:1 dimension is the default dimension on ideogram. Okay, so I'm going to select that. So once I select it, I'm going to hit on generate. Once I click on generate, I'm going to wait a few seconds. So our logos are ready for use. You can select any of this logo for your personal use. Okay, so this is how I generated the logos you saw at the beginning of this video in these 2 simple steps. Did you enjoy this video? Did you gain something? I want you to do one more thing. I want you to like, save, subscribe, and share this video to your communities, so that when I drop videos like this, you would always be the first to see them.